I need to change the speaker on my KL8 subwoofer here. Been getting a lot of distortion for a while, but I didn't want to spend a lot of money for the cone. What I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to replace the speaker with just a regular inexpensive car audio subwoofer speaker. What I ended up getting is this right here, just an El Cheapo Pyle red label. So let's open up this box and see what this cheap speaker looks like. I only spent about 15 bucks for this on Amazon, and I know that the price has changed, and actually the blue speaker was more expensive than the red one. And I really don't care about the color because, I mean, the grill is going to be hiding it anyway, so. And I like red better, so I'm glad the red one was cheaper. Bunch of papers and stuff, and there is our cone. Hopefully no damage here. So far, so good. Looks just like a plastic cone. So here it is, no frills, just a plain old speaker. 600 watts supposedly. PLW10RD, 4 ohms. So that's what we're looking for to replace this speaker with. So for 15 bucks, sure, we'll give it a shot and we'll see how it sounds. But first, I want to show you what this thing sounds like. So I'm going to pull off this grill here and then we'll get a listen to what we got right now. There we go. Hopefully that'll be enough to get this off of here. There we go. Well, there's the cone, and right away I can see we've got some. Oh yeah, the surround is cracked all the way around. So let me play something through here, and I'll play, after I replace the speaker, we'll play the exact same program at the exact same level, and we'll see if there's a difference. So here we are, the original KL8 speaker that is completely shut. That's enough. I think you get the point. So let's go ahead and change out this speaker. Hopefully it goes smooth, and hopefully everything just lines right up, and we'll just get a direct change out. So let's go ahead and take out the screws here. Alright, let's pry this thing loose. It looks like it's going to come right out of there. No problem. So here we are. Here's the speaker that's in the subwoofer, and it looks pretty cheap. And so let's just unplug these wires and hook them up to the new speaker. Make sure the polarity is right. Alright, let's bolt this thing in here and see how it does. Hopefully it fits. Doesn't look like it's going to fit. No, it doesn't fit. I'm going to have to cut some material out around this box. Well, that really sucks. I didn't want to have to do any carpentry work. Unfortunately, I had to trim some of the inside of that hole to get this speaker to fit in there. Let's go ahead and hook up our wires yet again. And now, let's get this speaker put in. All right, we got the speaker in. Everything's in, finally. Now let's give it a shot. I'm gonna play the same music that I did the last time at the same levels, and let's see if there's a difference. I'd say that's pretty good. I'm impressed with that. There's no distortion, and I like that real well. So we replaced a home theater subwoofer with a El Cheapo car audio subwoofer for $14 and some odd cents. And I'd say I'm pretty happy with that. So thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I'll catch you later.